Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add music to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application which is built into the Mac computer. We also need to have access to an audio file. This can be on your computer or within the music application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Enter, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, go to the top toolbar, go to File, Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, open, wait for that to load. Now what we will do is go to Add Slide. Choose a slide, remove all the content within the slide. Let's just keep the title and say music. And now let's go to the top navigation menu, go to media, go to music. This will allow us to import music from our iTunes library, or should I say music library. As we know, iTunes now is the music application across all platforms. So let's go to a song of our choice, double click on this, and this should have now inserted into your presentation. As you can see, I clicked on this twice. Let's delete one, and there we go. Once the audio file has been inserted into the presentation, we can therefore choose to play this file. In this tutorial, I will not be playing the file as we have used this as part of the introduction for every computer science video on the channel. So we can now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.